In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free shipping on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search, spot the right listings, and confirm that the item you want really ships for free to your location. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. In the results, look for the official site with the alibaba.com domain. Click through to the home page. This keeps you on the legitimate platform where pricing, shipping details, and buyer protections are presented clearly. Once you're on Alibaba, log into your account. Being signed in helps the site show shipping information that's more accurate for your destination and lets you save items for later. If you're not logged in yet, just use your usual credentials so your settings, currency, and country are correctly applied. Now, in the search bar at the top, type the product you want and include the words free shipping in the same phrase. This tells Alibaba's search engine to prioritize listings that mention free shipping right in the title or description. The more specific your product term, the more targeted your results will be. For example, you might type phone case free shipping. Using that example, hit enter and review the results. You'll see product tiles with photos, price ranges, minimum order quantities, and shipping notes. Begin scrolling through and pay close attention to any mention of free shipping on each card. If the listing claims free shipping, click into it to verify the details directly on the product page. On the product page, check the shipping section carefully. Choose your country or region if it isn't already selected, then confirm that the shipping cost shows as free for the quantity and variant you want. Some listings offer free shipping only for certain colors, sizes, or order amounts, and costs can change when you switch variations. Look at the estimated delivery time and the shipping method as well. Free shipping can sometimes be slower, so make sure the timeline works for you. Also review the minimum order quantity and whether the price shown is for samples or bulk purchases. Free shipping might apply above a certain quantity or only to specific destinations. If a listing says free shipping in the title but shows a cost at checkout, rely on what the shipping calculator displays for your location and quantity. That's all there is to it. Search for Alibaba, open the official site, log in, type your product along with free shipping, and then scroll through the results while double-checking each listing's shipping section. Follow these steps and you'll quickly find items that ship free with fewer surprises at checkout.